Hi everyone, my name is Santosh and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, uh, today I'll be talking about the C++ inheritance in deep with practical and as well as the theory classes. So first of all, in this video I'll be talking about the inheritance in C++. So what is inheritance and what are the types of inheritance? Uh, eh, Before going to deep in about the C++ inheritance, uh, um, first of all, I would like to say that this is the features of concept object-oriented programming language. This is the features. So we are in the third features of OOP concept in C++. So in C++, first of all, you need to know what is inheritance in C++. So in C++, it is possible to just like a it is possible to inherit attributes and methods from one class to another class. We group the inheritance concept into categories, just like a derived class, and just like you can also call the derived class as a child class, and other is base class as well. So the derived class is also called the child class that inherits from the another class. So the attributes and methods of the classes will be inherited from one class to another class. It means the two class are derived class and the base class, just like the class that inherits from another class is called derived class, and the base class is defined is also called parent class, and the class being inherited from to inherit from a class, and we have to use just like a you can say a derived class and base class. This is called child class, and this is called parent class, and this will be inherited from to inherit from the class. So first of all, we have to know the types of the inheritance. The first one is tribe. It is also called child class, and it is the base class, which is also known as the parent class. So in C++, you can say inheritance is one of the key principles of object-oriented programming OOP concept. So it allows a clear uh, concept to use the inheritance of from one class to another class. So it allows a class called derived class to inherit properties and behavior. It means the properties and behaviors of the data and the class and the member functions from one class to another class called base class. So this promotes the code reusability and helps in creating the hierarchical relationship between the classes. So why and when to use the inheritance in C++, you must need to know. So it is useful and core concept of reusability reusability of the code. So it attributes and methods of an existing class will be used when you create a new class. So now move to the next slides and see the uh, about the inheritance. So first of all, we have completed the classes and objected in the previous video, and the third inheritance polymorphism encapsulation will see in the upcoming videos. So in this video particularly, I will be talking about the inheritance. What is inheritance? What are the types? And all about it. So in the just like we have complete classes and objected in the, and now we have to, it's the remain part, the remain of OOP. concept. So in this video I'll be talking about the inheritance. So let's describe it. Inheritance, and I'm just change this class. Inheritance is one of the key principle object oriented programming. It allows a class called derived class to inherit properties and behaviors, data members, and member function from another class called base class. This promotes code reusability and helps in creating hierarchical relation between the process. It means in inheritance, there are just like a one is child class, child inheritance, and the second one is derived. This is called derived, and the second one is base. This is called parent class, and one is inherited from another and another is inherited from uh, others. So inherited means the functionality and features from one class and other class will be transferred, and it will very easy to reusability of the code, features code. So uh, this is the definition you can write here. So it just like a we have also decided the axis is specifier in inheritance. It means 3p protected, private, and just like a public, protected, and private. You can see here. So the process, the axis specifiers, public, protected, and private of the base class control how the members of the base class are inherited in the derived class. It means derived class means it is the child. The base class is called parents. It means the features defining in the base class will be inherited to the derived classes, mean child classes. So a base class member is like a public, protected, private, and public inheritance. How it can be accessed remains public, remains protected, not inherited in private. So private inheritance becomes protected, remains protected, non-inherited, and private you can see becomes private, becomes not inherited. So this is the axis specifier inheritance. How you can access the members and data and member functions in the class from base class to derived class. How you can use the base class to the derived class. So it can be divided. You can see here it can be divided, and the this is the features of OOP. This is the type. So you can see here this is the type of the inheritance. First of all is single inheritance, you can see here. Second one is multiple inheritance, and third one is multi-level inheritance. Fourth one is hierarchical inheritance, and fifth one is hybrid inheritance. You can divide. So in single inheritance, the inheritance is one of the key principles of the object-oriented programming language. You know very well about it. So and it can be divided. It has the 5 types. It's like a single, multiple, multi-levels, hierarchical, and hybrid. You can see here. It means and the what is single inheritance? It means a derived class inherits from one base class. It means there are two classes. The one is derived and base. It can be a derived class inherits from one base class. It means it will be inherited from one base class. It means the features of the member functions a data members will be inherited to the base derived class. Single base class. In multiple, a derived class inherits from more than one classes. A derived class inherits from more than one class. This is the derived class, and it will be inherited from the more classes. So you can see here, and C is the derived class, and it will be inherited from the different more classes, derived base classes. So you can see, and multi-level inheritance, just like you can say, a derived class inherits from another derived class. It means this is the derived class for A. It will be inherited from A, and C is also derived class. It will also inherited from B. So it will be inherited from the another derived class. And hierarchical means just like a multiple derived class. It will be inherited from A, and B is by and another single base classes, just like a multiple derived class inherit from a single uh, base classes. This is the base class, and it will be, and this is the derived class. It will be the derived class will be inherited from a single base class. So I will show you in practical level, so don't worry. And you can see hybrid means a combination of multiple and multi-level inheritance. It is the combination of multi, sorry, you can see here, I'm just removing. Yeah, yeah. So it is the combination of multiple and multi-level derived hybrid. So you can see it like this, just like uh, after it, just move to the lab and see what is happening from the lab. This is the lab of single inheritance. So this is, you can see here, just I've included the header files. This is the basic things you know very well. And this is the first of all, I'll create a base class. This is the class, and this is the name of the class animal, and I have assign a specifier, a axis specifier, that is the void. It does not print anything, so this is the public specifier, and this prints this animal can eat, and it will sleep also. And other function, define functions, member functions. So you can see here, this is the sleep functions, and it prints this animal can sleep. This is the public, this is the class, this is the base class I have created here. So in single inheritance, what had taught you, it will inherit from a base class. So the derived class, you can see here, this is the base class, this is the parent class. You can also call parent class, and you can see here child class. So it will be inherited, its features and its functionalities will be copied. Yeah, so you can see here the name of the class. This is the class keyword, and the name of the class is dog. And dog can, animals may be in it, any animals you can write it, just like a dog, cat, tiger, elephant. You can use in at many times as you need. So you can see here, just like a, this is the name of the derived class, and it will be inherited by using the colon, single colon operators, colon operators, uh, colon operator. Yeah, it will be inherited. You can see here, this is the colon. You can see colon operator. You can see it means the functionality and the class, whatever you have defined and created inside the base class, it will act as a also of the derived class. Derived class will be act, and its functionality will be modified or changed as per the created base class. So you can see here, uh, this will be inherited by using just like this keyword. First of all, you have to create the drive class, and you have use the colon and public specifier. You have to use an animal is the base class name, so it is the public specifier. So void bark, it can bark, dog can bark. The bark, it means the bark functions you have defined body functions. The dog can bark, and after it in main functions you have to create it's the object of the classes, creating object of the triangle. But when you use in a single inheritance, when you create a derived class, you and in the main class you have to create an object of the derived class. So the name of the just like the name of the the class, the name drag class name is dog, and you have to create the object of a drive class inside the main function. So you can see here, this is the name of the drive class, and you have to create an object of the drive class is my dog, and accesses the base class methods. So how you can access the base class, you have to use the dog, it means object dot it. This is the name of the functions, you can member functions dot it, and you can also dot sleep access the base elements, base methods, member functions. So and accessing drive class, how you can access my dog dot bark. So how, what will be the output? It will directly access, all will be the printed here. So you can see just I am run this code and see what is happening in the code program. So you can see here just like you can see here, uh, this animal can eat, this animal can sleep, and the dog can bark. So you can see here, this is about the single inheritance example. Now you can practice, and don't worry, I will upload the code in the, you can download from the description link of this video. So now let's move to the multi-level. So you can see here, I have written here the code. You can practice by using this. So first of all, I have created the base class vehicle. You can see here, and I have defined the public specifier here, and define and write a member functions. So you can see here, this is very easy, and you have to multi levels, and you have to create a derived class. Derived class means this the name of the class, and it will be taken as a from the base class. The name of the base class is vehicles, and also you have to again you have define a member functions here, just like a drive, start drive, and other further derived class. That means class sports car and public car. This is the derived class body. So in multi-level inheritance, one derived class is taken from the previous derived class. It means the base class. This base class is it means uh, in this derived class, the vehicle, it means the base class became the here, and this derived class became the base class of sports car. So one after another it will be created. So you can see here at the last, and the what how you can create the object at the last derived class. From the last derived class we have to create an object of the class. So you can see here the last derived class is sports car. So you can sports car, and this is the name of the object, and you can call the classes, derived classes and base classes by using the last derived class in multi-level inheritance. So just run this code and see what is happening from this code. You can see here. Yeah, fine. successfully compiled. Vehicle is started, car is being driven, sports can turbo boost activated. So you can see like this. This is very easy. If first of you need to know the its definitions. It's very easy, guys. So if you understand its definition, it is very easy. Read and practice to barely. It means first read the and see the definitions. Is what are the definitions of the inheritances, and move to the practical lab. So this is all about the multi-level inheritance. You can see here. Yeah, and this is about the multiple inheritance. So all are the basic things you know very well. Include IO stream using namespace study, and first of all you have to create the base class. Base class means it is the parent class. So class engine, the name of the class is engine. You have to specify public specifier, and you have created a body. It means it is the functions, member functions, and another base class. Another base class you have created. Another base class you have created here. Class wheels, engine wheels. You have also specify here the public specify member functions, and inside the body, uh, inside the member function, you have written the masses. And lost, you have created. It means multiple from the multiple base classes you have you have created a single drive class. So you can see here both the features and its functionality that you are going to use by creating a drive class from multiple base classes. So at last you can see here class car, and you have to access its base class by using colon, and public class engine comma. You have to separate, you have to use the different base classes by using with the comma, by separating the comma. So you can public and wheels, and after you have also create member functions and your masses. Here you can see here the what will be the name of you can see here the object of the class. So the drive class, the object will be created by the drive class. So you can see here this car and this car. This is the class. This is the class. Drive class is the name of the object. And after creating object, you can use it to print or access the method from both base classes and the drive classes. You can see. It means you can access the base classes and the drive classes by using by creating the object from the derived classes which was created from the different base classes. So you can see, just I have run this code and see what is happening from this code. Mm, yeah, fine, great. This vehicle has a V8 engine. You can see here the message has been printed. This vehicle has alloy wheels. This is the sports cars. So you can see here it's successfully compiled, and you can print like this. So this is all about the um, multiple inheritance ads. So as shown you the single inheritance, multi levels, and multiple inheritance. So it's very easy, guys, and you can see here um, just like in inheritance, you can just you have to first of all you have to uh, study or see the definitions of the inheritance, and after you have to print write the code and see what happens in the single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and multiple inheritance. Thanks for watching.